In this video, I'll walk you through how to establish a connection between our ERPNext Integration app and your ERPNext account. To begin, we need to fill out 3 key fields: ERPNext host URL, a PI key, a PI secret. All of this information will be retrieved directly from your ERPNext dashboard. Let's start with the ERPNext host URL. Open your ERPNext software in a browser and simply copy the full URL from the address bar. Then, paste it into the ERPNext host URL field in our app. Next, we need the API key and API secret. In your ERPNext account, go to the top right corner and navigate to My Profile. Under My Settings, scroll down to the API Access section. You'll find your API key listed there. Copy it and paste it into the corresponding field in the app. To get the API secret, click the Generate Keys button. Once generated, copy the secret key and paste it into the API secret field. Once all 3 fields are filled in, the app will attempt to connect to your ERPNext account. If the connection is successful, you'll see a green confirmation message: ERPNext account is connected. Next, click Save Settings. Once saved, the app will load and allow you to configure your default sync options, starting with the default company under which you'd like to sync sales orders and inventory items. These values are pulled dynamically from your ERPNext account. For example, here we're selecting Tech Marbles as the default company. Then choose your default warehouse. In this case, we're selecting all warehouses. Save your changes again to confirm. Now let's quickly look at the core features of the app: Product Sync, Customer Sync, and Order Sync. You can enable or disable Product Sync as needed. When enabled, products will automatically import from ERPNext to your Shopify store. By default, this runs as a scheduled, cron-based job once daily. However, you can also trigger a manual sync by clicking the Import Now button. You also have the option to configure item groups, unit of measure, and set up inventory location mappings. Enable or disable customer syncing here. Select your default customer group and default territory. Again, these values are fetched from your ERPNext system. The dashboard will also show the total number of customers synced and the last sync timestamp. Enable or disable order sync here as well. You'll be able to configure order numbering series, default payment method and bank account, currency accounts and payment terms, tax and shipping settings. You can choose whether to add shipping as a line item, send consolidated taxes to a single tax head, import delivery notes as Shopify shipments, automatically create sales invoices when payment is marked in Shopify. And that's it. Once everything is set up, your Shopify and ERPNext systems will be seamlessly connected, and data will begin syncing automatically. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you need any assistance.